Importance and applications of coordinate compounds. See, they have a lot of different varieties of applications, and they are one of the most important nowadays compounds, which are used in almost all types of all sort of fields. Now, let us start the list. They are used in qualitative and quantitative analysis. Like we know, we do a lot of salt analysis. Most of the compounds, reagents used are like potassium ferrocyanide, potassium ferricyanide, the others one. They are used, they are present, they are actually, they are in the form of the coordination entities. So that's one of the major uses. We also use adition, we also use number of other reagents like DMG for testing the presence of a nickel. So all these dimethyl glyoximate. So all these are the coordination entities which are basically used in the qualitative as well as quantitative analysis of the coordination compounds. They are also used like for quantitative analysis, particularly like we can use them for estimating the hardness of water, and adition is the best one because it forms a very stable complexes with calcium and magnesium ions. So quantitative estimation of hardness of water is done by using adition. That's an example of the quantitative analysis in which they are used. They are also used in the metallurgical processes, like we know the Mark-Mac-Urthurst forest process, in which we extract out silver and gold from their ores in the form of their complexes which they form with the sodium cyanide solution. So they are used in the extraction as well as in the refining, like we know the Mons process, which is called vapor phase refining, where the nickel is being refined by using its forming of a volatile complex with the carbon monoxide, which is tetracarbonyl nickel. So they are used not only in the extraction but also in the refining of the metals in metallurgical process. Simultaneously, they are having a lot of applications. We have of these compounds in biological systems, like from very basic molecules like chlorophyll and hemoglobin, which are your large coordinate compounds, to very complex molecules like we use even vitamins which we take, like cobalt 60, which are compounds of cobalt. So all these are examples of the lot of different types of molecular species which are actually a coordination compound which are used in our biological systems. Then we have medicinal chemistry, yes, like we have cisplatin which is used in the cancer treatment, we have adition which is used for the lead poisoning. So they have again a variety of uses and applications in medicinal field. Like in photography, we takes out the unreduced silver bromide with the help of a thiosulfate hyposolution. So which is taken out in the form of a soluble complex. So again, it has a lot of variety or use in the photography. They are also used in preparing the catalyst, like we have a Wilkinson catalyst, which is this is what is the formula is of the Wilkinson catalyst, which says it is chloridotris triphenyl phosphine ruhedium 1. It's again is a catalyst which is used in the hydrogenation of alkenes and other and in other hydrocarbons and in organic chemistry. So we have in this way a lot of different applications of the coordination compounds which are used in such a large number of different fields.